GMO, genetically modified organism, is a plant, animal, or microorganism whose genetic material, DNA, has been changed in lab for purpose using genetic engineering. Scientists take the gene for a desired specific in one organism, copy it, and insert it into the DNA of another organism.
This is how genome editing works. Scientists and genetic engineers use this step: identify, copy and isolate, insert, and grow and test. First is identify muna nila yung trait na preferred nila. Then, kukuha sila ng DNA ng organisms na may trait na ganun. For example, gusto nila makagawa ng pusa na nag-glow in the dark. Kukuha muna sila ng DNA ng organism na nag-glow in the dark. For example, plankton. After that, kukuha sila ng copy at mag-isolate sila ng isang plasmid vector na magiging carrier ng kinuha nilang DNA. They will cut through the plasmid vector and then gamit ang isang restricting enzyme and then i-insert nila yung DNA na nakuha nila sa organism. Pagkatapos ay i-insert na nila yung plasmid vector na may trait or yung may DNA na may trait na glowing in the dark dun sa organism na gusto nilang i-manifest yung trait na yan. For example, yung pusa nga. Then, nahayaan nila mag-replicate at mag-duplicate yung DNA plasmid vector dun sa loob ng organism hanggang sa ma-manifest na niya yung trait na in-insert nila. For example nga, yung pusa, naging glow in the dark na siya.
So, BT corn is a type of genetically modified corn na nilagyan ng BT gene galing sa bacteria na Bacillus thuringiensis. Because of this gene, the corn can produce a natural insecticidal protein na kayang pumatay sa corn borer, which is a common pest na sumisira sa mga tanim na mais. With BT corn, farmers don't need to use too much pesticide kaya mas tipid sa gastos, mas maganda ang ani, at mas safe para sa environment. Next is BT talong or BT eggplant. Katulad din siya ni BT corn dahil may BT gene mula sa Bacillus thuringiensis. Ang main purpose nito ay labanan ng eggplant fruit and shoot borer or EFSB. Ito yung pest na sumisira sa bunga at tangkay ng talong. Because of the BT gene, the plant produces a BT protein na toxic sa pest pero safe naman for humans and animals. Dahil dito, farmers use less chemical sprays, mas konti ang pest damage, at mas maganda ang quality ng mga eggplants. And then, we have golden rice. Ito naman ay ginawa to help solve vitamin A deficiency. Scientists added genes from corn and a soil bacteria called Erwinia iridivora. Because of these genes, the rice can now produce a beta-carotene na kino-convert ng katawan natin into vitamin A. This helps prevent blindness and other illnesses caused by vitamin A deficiency. At since rice ang staple food natin, it's an easy way to add important nutrients sa daily diet ng mga tao.
So GMOs offer solutions to boost crop production, enhance nutrition, and reduce our environmental footprint. First, for farming. GMOs revolutionize farming, increasing yields by minimizing losses from pests and harsh conditions, reducing pesticide use with insect-resistant crops, improving weed control through herbicide tolerance, and enhancing drought resistance for climate resilience. Next is health. GMOs contribute to better health by enhancing nutrition. For example, golden rice with added beta-carotene and reducing food waste with non-browning varieties. It also ensures safe consumption, with major science organizations confirming their safety. For environment, GMOs promote environmental sustainability by reducing the environmental impact of farming through decreased pesticide use, lowering greenhouse gas emissions with reduced tillage, and supporting land conservation by enabling higher yields on less land. And despite their potential benefits, GMOs face significant challenges in the Philippines. Public opposition arises from safety concerns, environmental risks, and ethical debates over genetic modification. Socioeconomic issues include increased costs for farmers, who often rely on expensive GM seeds and chemicals, leading to debt cycles and potential land loss. Critics also highlight uncertain long-term impacts on health and ecosystems. So addressing these concerns requires transparent policies, rigorous research, and inclusive dialogue to balance innovation with public and environmental welfare.
So we're going to tackle about the positive impacts and negative impacts ng paggamit ng GMO na bilang alternative na seed. So nowadays, ang paggamit ng GMO is normally na. So sa mga farmers, they use it for the less of using of pesticides and higher their crops. For consumers naman, improve their quality of food, and for environment, less ang paggamit ng pesticides for runoffs of soil constructions. And for economy, they strengthen the local agriculture sector for more export potential. Bumako naman tayo sa negative impacts ng GMO, which is ang farmers ay nagde-depend sa our commercial seed companies. Tapos nag-increase din yung seeds price nun. And sa consumers is meron tayong ongoing public concerns about the seed safety, which is ang GMO daw po ay hindi daw po safe. Pero according to the source of the World Health Organization ay na-confirm na po nila na ang paggamit ng GMO is safe totally. And environment naman is possibly the cross breeding which is native to our plants and risk for yung pest resistant over the time kasi yung paggamit ng ng ganong GMO is nawawala rin yung pesticides nila dun. So sa economy, market is more affects to our export.